Everyone, my name is Sanskar Ramesh Mekar. I am from CC1 batch. So my parents 202401110029. So I am going to explain my CT project on setup an API in AWS. So for this we are using AWS Lambda and API gateway for creating API gateways. So let's get started. So firstly, we are logging into our AWS account. So this is my AWS account. So let's create a firstly lambda function. For this, we have to search here lambda. So here is a lambda. So now create function. So firstly, we describe our function. So in this case, I'm giving a name that is scar my hair curve function. Now we select runtime and which language. So we have selected Python latest version. After that, all are default and let's create function. So here you can see our function has created and there is a code source. So here is a function. So I am changing here some sanskar meher meher ka function. So firstly we test this code. So here we go test and give it name that is test event. It's private and we firstly save this. So here is the details. So here you can see we are deploying the code and after the deploying the code we have to test the code. So here you can see this is our output successfully deployed Sanskar Merkle function what we have printed in. So now let's create a API. For this create a new tab. So now we have to create API gateways for so firstly search API, then click on API. So click on create an API. For this project we are using REST API. So firstly we have to name our API. So in this case I am naming my name Scar Meherkar API. So all other options are default. For example region and the IP address type. So create an API. So now we have to create a method. So we have to set a method. So we are in this case we are using get method with integration type of lambda. So we have to now name our functions. So here is our previously created lambda function. We are using this and now create method. So as you can now see, we have created our get method and here you can see our integration steps. How can client access our integration and all these steps. So now we have to deploy our API. So in this case we are selecting new stage and name the API. In this case I am using name the dev. So now we have to deploy it. So our API is successfully deployed. So here is our evoke URL. So paste it in your browser. So here you can see my name that is Sanskar function that we have to print in our lambda function. So that is API gateway. Thank you.